That's not good. Oh crap. I bet they're all shooken up now.
They're shooken up.
Wait. Crack it. Come on. Hurry up.
Oh.
Crack them. Crack it.
I did.
It's like.
It's not going well. Make him.
Try this one. Wait, try this one.
I don't think it landed on it.
Go put like on the top.
Oh, this one's.
Shake it. Oh, that one's bubbling. Wait. That works. Whoa. Crap. That's not good.
Oh, dude, you gotta see it.
That's a waste of Pepsi.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Isn't that awesome? That's what it looks like inside. And this
Holy
is what
crap.
it looks like bubbling. Dude, that is
Whoa.
awesome.
Wait. No, I'm scared to drink out of that.
I'm not.
What was that? That is the inside of my Pepsi bottle. Look at that Pepsi. And you can drink that if you want to.
What do you think you're doing?
You don't want to know.
Nothing.